Your feet are lying to you. That tiny bit of itching between your toes, that nail that's gone slightly yellow. You've probably been ignoring it for weeks, telling yourself it'll clear up on its own. It won't. Nail and foot fungus is one of the sneakiest problems out there. It starts small, moves slowly, and by the time most people take it seriously, it's already spread. And the solution most people reach for? Expensive creams, prescription medications, products that cost a fortune and often don't even work. Here's what nobody tells you. Your kitchen already has everything you need to kill fungal spores, heal your skin, and grow your nails back clean and clear. Today I'm giving you 7 of the most powerful natural remedies. And if you use them correctly, you can stop this thing in its tracks within days. Let's get into it. Number 1. Apple cider vinegar. This is the gold standard of natural antifungal remedies. And for good reason. It attacks fungal spores directly at the source, and it rebalances your skin's pH level so the fungus simply has nowhere left to survive. Mix half a cup of apple cider vinegar with half a cup of warm water and soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes every day. For nail fungus specifically, take a cotton swab, dip it in undiluted vinegar, and apply it straight to the affected nail. The itching starts to ease quickly. The skin settles. And the nail? It begins growing back the way it should. Number 2. Tea tree oil. If apple cider vinegar is the gold standard, tea tree oil is the secret weapon. It contains natural compounds called terpenes that don't just slow fungal growth. They destroy fungal cells entirely and calm inflammation at the same time. A few drops daily, ideally mixed with coconut oil as a carrier, applied directly to the affected nail or skin. Massage it in properly. You want it to absorb deep, not just sit on the surface. Most people notice the itching and redness fading within just a few days of consistent use. Number 3. Baking soda. Fungus loves 2 things, moisture and acidity. Baking soda eliminates both. Sprinkle it into your shoes and socks to absorb dampness throughout the day. Or mix it with a little water to form a paste, apply it to the affected skin, leave it for a few minutes, then rinse. It's incredibly simple, but it actively stops the fungus from spreading and, as a bonus, deals with foot odor at the same time. Number 4. Garlic. Don't let the smell put you off. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, and it is a serious antifungal powerhouse. Crush a fresh clove, mix it with a little coconut oil, and apply the paste to the infected area for about 30 minutes before rinsing. For stubborn nail fungus that just won't shift, try a garlic foot bath. Crush several cloves into hot water and soak. You'll notice the skin beginning to calm down faster than you'd expect. Number 5. Coconut oil. This one works on 2 levels at once. It deeply moisturizes the skin, which is important because cracked, dry skin gives fungus an easy entry point, while the lauric acid it contains actively breaks down the cell membranes of fungi. After washing your feet, dry them thoroughly, then apply a thin layer of coconut oil, especially between the toes and around the nails. It creates a natural protective barrier that keeps the fungus from coming back. Number 6. Lemon juice. Fresh lemon juice brings citric acid and vitamin C to the fight, both of which inhibit fungal growth and support skin regeneration. Apply it with a cotton pad to the affected area and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. There's a bonus here too. Lemon juice gently lightens discolored nails, so as the fungus retreats, your nails start to look clean and healthy again. Number 7. Foot hygiene. And yes, this one counts. None of these remedies will work long-term if you don't address the environment that let the fungus thrive in the first place. Wash your feet every day. Dry them properly, especially between the toes where moisture hides. Change your socks regularly. Choose breathable footwear, and treat the inside of your shoes with baking soda or an antifungal spray. Without this step, the fungus will keep coming back no matter what you put on your skin. These 7 remedies work, but they only work if you're consistent. Pick 2 or 3, stick with them daily, and give your body the chance to heal. If this was helpful, share it with someone who's been quietly dealing with the same problem. You'd be surprised how many people are. And if you want to know how to never deal with mosquitoes, again, we've linked that video right here. See you there.